July 12, 2020, the RCMP received a missing persons report. 35-year-old Indigenous male William John Bird disappeared from Chetwynd, BC. To date, all efforts to locate William have been unsuccessful. William is reported to live a high-risk lifestyle. He is originally from Manitoba. Friends and family are very concerned for William's well-being. He is 6 feet tall and weighs 241 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. If you have any information about William John Bird or his whereabouts, you are urged to contact the Chetwynd RCMP at 250-788-9221 or Crime Stoppers at 1-800-222-8477.